after 2 years of waiting, after 6 Apple events, one where we got the thing announced, and a week and 3 days, I finally got my hands on the AirTag. Hey guys, I'm JT and this is iOS at Work. And as I said, we're going to be unboxing the AirTag. We're going to talk about a few things about AirTags. A, what is an AirTag? B, how can you find an AirTag? And 3, the security and privacy implications of the AirTag. Now let's start with the easy part, the unboxing. Alright, so we are now at the desk. I have a camera right here that you can see right now, as well as one above me. Now, you guys will be able to see me talking to you guys directly, as well as being able to see me open the products. Wait, what's this tab? Bro, there's a freaking tab on the thing that lets you open this. And I didn't see it. I feel like an absolute idiot. We're gonna pull the tab together. And I think from here, we can go in here. Yes, we can. Lever has been removed, as you can see, and we're gonna pull out. And we are greeted with AirTag, just like so. And here it is. This thing is tiny. Dude, my God. All right, so I'm gonna need an iPhone for this. From this point forward, we're gonna need an iPhone. So you're gonna be asking, well, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna be turning off the overhead camera, and you guys are going to be watching me open it up from the iPad. So, okay, that was a really stupid idea, past Jonathan. You could have just borrowed a parent's phone. And that's what I did. So, what happens now? We're gonna use my phone here, plus an AirTag equals content. So, let's start now. So we're gonna open up my phone right now, and you can see I need to hold the device to follow on screen instructions. So let's pull the AirTag out. All right, so this is the AirTag. So we're gonna silently, ASMR, open this thing. That's the sound. There was a sound there. I don't know if you heard that. Now if I leave this close to my phone, whoa, okay, so it instantly connected to my AirTag, which is awesome. So I'm gonna hit connect, and I'm gonna name this my keys, because I have a keychain accessory. So I'm gonna name this keys, hit continue. Whoa, this is cool. All right, directions in maps. View this AirTag on a map and use the Maps app to navigate it. Play a sound and find the Siri. Done. All right. So the one thing I'm gonna say is this is a really shiny, it's a mirror. So I already ruined its glossiest finish with my finger. So let's open up Find My, simply by going to the Find My application. Now, I'm gonna go to my items. So I'm now in my items, and as you can see, my keys are right here, which is awesome. That's right, so now that we have AirTags out of the box, we just did that, I wanna talk about and explain to you guys what AirTags is. AirTags are small puck-sized objects that allow you to track things that you might normally lose, like a bike or a pair of keys or a bag, a purse, etc., etc. Right now, we're at Balmoral Park, and here is my friend. Say hi.
Hi.
Do you know why you're here?
I do not.
All right, pause the recording. You guys are just as confused as my friend was. I'm going to explain to you what's going on. 1, we have an AirTag. 2, we have a friend. And 3 is Balmoral Park. My friend is in Balmoral Park, and he hides the AirTag in Balmoral Park. If I can't find the AirTag in 5 minutes, he gets $5.
Here are the keys. You have 3 minutes to hide my keys. If I can't find them within 5 minutes, I have to pay you $5, all right?
All right.
The timer starts right now. You have 3 minutes. Go.
All right.
I'm not looking.
All right. I'm thinking I'm gonna go over here. All right. This should do the trick. Maybe somewhere under a bunch of leaves. I think right there. And just go under the leaves. That should be good.
All right, Zach, did you hide my keys?
I did, yeah.
Awesome. So right now, as you can see right now, I have my phone. I'm going to unlock my phone. All right, so right now, as you guys can see right now, I have my keys. I tapped on my keys, and I have a thing where it says play sound. So I'm going to press on play sound. It's going to connect. And I'm going to have, starting right now, I have 5 minutes to go find my keys. All right, so I knew that he went somewhere in this direction. I have to hear for the sound. This would be a lot easier if I had a newer phone. The precise location. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. All right, let's find this thing. Oh, it says I'm close. It says I'm quite close to the thing, so I'm going to have to find this thing. I'm looking for some kind of, I don't know. I'm looking for an AirTag, right? And if I don't find it, $5 goes into my friend's bank account. Oh, wait, that's not it at all. Crap! All right. AirTag, where could you be? It says I'm like right on top of you. He hid it somewhere because he's not stupid. I hear a sound. You hear that? There it is. Right there. That's my AirTag. Found it. All right. So as you can see, the thing kind of works. I found my keys, and it was below the 5 minute mark. Let's go, it's so good.
All right, so as you guys just saw, I was able to find my AirTag in under 5 minutes, which means that I did not have to pay my friend $5. Now, he's gone, left me forever, but what happens now? I'm gonna tell you guys about all of the different features that you guys can use with AirTags. So, the first one I'm gonna talk about is the Find My Network. So with the Find My Network, it's a bunch of iPhones, iPads, watches, and I don't know, Macs that all work together to help locate anything within the network. So using Bluetooth signals that are obviously privatized and no one can see, I can use my phone and my friend's phone and someone else's phone is gonna help pinpoint a random person's phone if they've lost it, which is super, super cool because you have millions of iPhones out there that can all work together to help find your stuff, which includes AirTags. So the next way that you can find an AirTag is via the speaker. So this is gonna be one of the main ways people find their stuff because not everyone has an iPhone 12 or an iPhone 11 Pro Max. So, how it works is there's a mini speaker inside, and if you're within a range, you will be able to play a sound off that speaker. And I say a range because in my testing, I wasn't able to initially
play that sound because there might have not been a phone in the vicinity to help track that device. Now, the big selling point is, to be honest with you, with the 11 series and 12 series, and that is going to be precision finding. Using the U1 chip that was baked into this AirTag, as well as any of the newer generation iPhones, you're going to be able to use that U1 chip to see in close proximity an exact location within a certain range, which was most likely going to be around 15 feet away. So Apple has taken privacy into account here and has things built into the AirTag to make sure that people aren't tracking you everywhere. With the main one being that if the iPhone that hosts the AirTag is not with it for a certain amount of time, but is with another iPhone, it'll let that iPhone user know that there's an AirTag following them via this notification. Let's say I'm with my father and we both have iPhones, we're in the car, and I have an AirTag on my keys. He's not going to be notified because the host's phone is with him. But if my phone wasn't on me, it would tell him that there was an AirTag following him. But the big problem with AirTags, in my opinion, is that there is no option to share an AirTag product with the rest of your family. So what do I think of AirTags? I think if you have an iPhone 11 or 12 series, this is an absolutely good thing to buy because of precise location, which is probably the best feature that AirTag has besides being part of the Find My network. Now the question is, do you go with an AirTag or with a competitor like Tile, which is a much more well-established brand in this space? Well, in my opinion, I think you should still go with AirTags if you are linked with the iPhone heavily. However, if you have a more niche thing, like a bike or even a wallet, I don't think I can recommend AirTags because the size of the AirTag is a bit too thick for the wallet. The bike is the same story, and there is no way to attach this thing to a bike because there is no Velcro to attach to the top that will keep it stuck there. If you do want to purchase an AirTag, a link will be in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, you can like the video, you can comment on the video, you should absolutely subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications if you really liked the content. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of whatever time of day you're having, and I'll see you in either my next video or my next tweet.